I have another question, about, if I may. It's actually two, but one question is about friends. So we're talking about relationship. It's not that, but it's about people that are around me. I definitely attract, and it just happens that I can't ask for support almost from anyone.
You cannot?
No, because their support is based on things that I don't believe in. It's like I believe that I create my reality. Most of the people around me don't.
Why would you need support from them if you're connected to source where all your resources are?
Because it gets lonely there.
But here's the thing, and we started to talk about this earlier. This is really a good awareness to have. This momentum of this began with our friend about his sister. Here's the picture that we want you to form. If someone is feeling neglected by you, and you are tuned into source energy while you're observing them, you are far from neglecting them. If someone is in a bad state of being and making you feel bad so that you want to turn away, that's a sort of neglect. It's not good for you and it's not good for them. But if you are focused upon someone while you are tuned into source energy, that's a whole other thing. So what you would say to them, we're more speaking for this man and his sister right now, what you would say to her is, wait a minute, I adore you. Often when I think about you, I feel so happy. Often when I think about you, I remember this lovely thing that we did together, or this lovely thing that we did together, or this lovely thing that we did together. So what we're getting at is, whether you're saying it out loud to someone, or whether you're saying it out loud for yourself about someone, as you are projecting your appreciation for them, you will not feel lonely. You will not feel lonely, because you cannot feel appreciation and loneliness at the same time.
This is supporting me, supporting somebody else. Me supporting somebody else. Sometimes I'm in low vibrations, and I can use somebody to tell me something like that.
Well, we don't disagree with that. You do that for one another. You teach to the clarity of your example, and it's lovely. But if you understand, and you do, what real support is, then, as you said to us earlier, it's easy to tune in if you're in the vicinity. So the first key is, don't get so far from the vicinity. Don't get so far that you need support. And if you do, go to sleep. And when you wake up, you'll be closer in the vicinity.
And this is the lonely part. This is the part where I can't ask for support from, I sit in men's group, so sometimes it's beautiful and high vibration, sometimes it's not. The whole concept of where a person is and how other people can help him is different than what I know.
But this is the same conversation that we had a little bit ago, where you're looking for the support in the action rather than looking for the support in the vibration. When you're looking for the support in the vibration, which is exactly what you're doing when you meditate, is exactly what you're doing when you deliberately focus. So look for that support first, and then you will be inspired to the action that will bring you to the group. But if you're going to the group to try to find this, it doesn't work. Find this, and then go to the group.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you very much.
Yes, really good.
Love you.
Yeah.